I am Mohammed Sameer and this is my CS50 final year project. This is a bank management system, a command line program built in Python and that lets users manage bank accounts. You can open new accounts, deposit and withdraw money, view account details, update or delete accounts, and list everything that's stored. All the data is saved persistently in a JSON file, so it stays there even after the program closes. Let's see it in action. I will run the program with python project.py. Here's the menu. First I will open the account. Option 1. Account number 2 because I have already created with one. Name is let's say Sam. Account type saving. Initial balance 4000. Here account is created with initial balance 4000 and type saving. Now if I try to create another account with the same number, it will give me an error. Like it will give me it correctly rejects it as duplicates. Option 1. Account number 2. Saving initial balance, let's say 4000. Here it is. It said account number already exists. Let's deposit some money in the account. Let's choose option 2. Account number 2. Let's deposit 6000. Here it is. Deposited new balance 10,000. Now let's try withdrawing more money than the account has. It should tell us there's insufficient funds. Account number 2, withdrawing money, let's say 11,000. Insufficient funds. Here's the details of all the accounts. Option 7, list all accounts. These are all the accounts I have. The core functions are also covered by automated tests using pytest: account creation, duplicate, rejection, deposits, withdrawals, and account display. Let's run them now. I'm going to run. Here you can see there is no error. All tests are passed. That wraps up my CS50 final project. A simple but complete bank management system with persistent storage and full test coverage. Thanks for watching.